Imagine if every dollar you invested was a game piece. Are you winning? Or are you just losing pieces without even realizing it? Investing is kind of like a game, but most people play it blindfolded. We all know saving money is important, but throwing cash into stocks, bonds, or crypto can feel like spinning a roulette wheel. The truth? The difference between winning and losing isn't luck. It's understanding the rules, the strategies, and how to play smarter, not harder. In this video, we'll break investing down into simple moves you can actually visualize. By the end, you'll know whether you're truly playing to win or just letting your money sit on the sidelines. Every dollar is a game piece. Do you know which path gives it the best chance to grow? Cash is like a turtle. Safe, slow, but sometimes too slow to win the race. Stocks are like a race car. Fast, exciting, but can crash if you're not careful. Bonds are like a bus, steady and predictable, but not thrilling. Real estate is like building a Lego tower. Takes time, but can become huge. Crypto is like a roller coaster. Fun for thrill seekers, but hold on tight. No game is fun if you don't know the rules. And in investing, the rules are all about risk and reward. High risk can mean high reward, but also high loss. Low risk is safer, but slow. Understanding the balance between risk and reward is like knowing whether to play your hand or fold. Every move matters. Imagine a secret power-up in the game, one that can make your game pieces multiply over time. Compound interest is money making money, and then that money makes more money. Think of it like planting seeds. One seed grows into a tree, the tree produces more seeds, and soon you have a forest. The earlier you start, the more the power-up works in your favor. $100 invested at 10% annual return grows to $259 in 10 years. That same $100 for 30 years? Over $1,700. Time is literally money in this game. In most games, putting all your pieces on one square is risky, and investing is no different. Spreading investments across different assets protects you from losing everything. A smart player never bets it all on one move. Diversification is your safety net. Even the best players can lose if they move at the wrong time. Market timing is tricky. Trying to buy low and sell high perfectly is nearly impossible. Instead, play steadily. Small, consistent steps win the game over time. The hardest level isn't the board. It's your own mind. Emotional decisions, panic selling, or impulsive buying can ruin progress. Keeping calm and sticking to your plan is like having a shield in the game. It protects your pieces from chaos. The best players know it's not about instant wins, it's about playing long enough to see the magic happen. Short-term losses are just part of the journey. Long-term growth is the real win. Investing is like a video game with multiple levels. You don't beat it in one day, you level up gradually. Patience plus consistency equals victory in the investment game. So, are you winning your investment game? Or are your pieces just scattered on the board while others quietly stack theirs? Remember, know the rules, use power-ups like compound interest, spread your pieces wisely, stay calm, and play for the long term. Investing isn't magic, it's a game. And the best part? Anyone can learn to play it smartly. Start today, make your moves count, and soon, your stick figure might just be standing on top of a mountain of coins.